Welcome to 1 Minute Mastery. Please like, subscribe, or follow. Today we're talking about the OODA Loop, the decision-making cycle that helps fighter pilots, CEOs, and maybe even you. Especially for those of us that frequently feel stuck because of indecision at work or in our personal life. This tool can help. OODA stands for Observe, Orient, Decide, Act. It's simple but powerful. Originally created by U.S. Air Force Colonel John Boyd to win dogfights in the sky, the OODA Loop is about making better decisions faster than your opponent and then adapting in real time. But here's the truth. You don't need to fly an F-16 or run a company to use it. If you've ever frozen in indecision, fallen off track, or kept reworking the same plan without action, you've been stuck outside the loop. Here's how it helps. Observe. Stop. Take in what's actually happening, not just what you feel. Orient. Connect the dots. What do you know? What are your biases? What's changed? Decide. Pick a direction. Imperfect action beats perfect hesitation. Act, move. Learn from what happens, then loop back to the top. The magic is in the loop. You're not supposed to get it perfect the first time. You just need to get faster at adapting. Because in life, just like in combat, the people who win aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who can observe, orient, decide, and act before the rest of us even finish overthinking.